Hi guys, my name is Shivani and today I'm going to talk about this. Don't you know what this is? Well, you need to know what this is. So, this is called as a neti pot and it is used to do jal neti. Now you might be wondering what is jal neti? Well, it is a yoga practice for your nasal hygiene to cleanse your nostrils and entire thing from your nostrils to your throat. So, it's as similar as every morning you wake up, you brush your teeth for your dental hygiene. So, this is what yogis used to do all the years, throughout the years, to maintain their nasal hygiene. It's as simple as that. So, this particular technique was used to purify and cleanse the entire nasal cavity. So, you might be wondering, ये कैसे होता है? Means, how do they even do it with this pot? So, this one is filled with a lukewarm water with little salt, and the process will show you really soon. So this was used to actually remove the accumulations or unwanted bacteria from our nose. So most of us might be wondering, what's the science behind this? It's as simple as that. We know that we inhale air and there are a lot of unnecessary accumulations which keep depositing into our nostrils, and it may lead to difficulty in breathing and many other diseases or any other unnecessary circumstances. And so, timely cleaning will really help us to stay healthy. Well, you should also not underestimate the benefits of this. I'll tell you why. ENT. It helps to clear your eye ducts and improve your vision. For people with migraine attacks or sinusitis, it helps to reduce the intensity of the attacks. Talking about this, people with asthmatic conditions or who have very difficulty in breathing, it's like a preventive measure for you guys. People facing problems with upper respiratory tracts, it can be dry cough or sore throat, and especially during the COVID times when we are doing everything possible or every kind of preventive measures to make sure that our throat is clear or our upper respiratory tract is free of virus. So this can be really helpful to keep you safe in that context. And you won't believe that it even has its effect on your nervous system. And people who have actually done it have observed that their clarity of mind has increased and their stress has decreased, and there are so many other benefits to this. People have also experienced reduction in their anger levels after doing this. So yeah, if you practice this on daily basis, it has a lot of benefits, and over a time it also boosts up your immunity. Again, this is definitely a simpler process than it sounds, but we always recommend you to consult someone who can actually supervise you or make sure you are doing it correctly. So please wait until we post out our video of how to do it. We do not encourage people trying it without supervision because you never know what may happen. So this was just to share something what I got to know about. It's all about sharing good practices, to share about the unexplored content probably. So if you like it, if you find it relatable, or if you feel it could be helpful to someone, do not forget to share it. So yes, stay tuned until we put out the procedure of doing this. Until then, stay safe, take care, much love.